everyone, welcome to my channel Joy's the Best Makeup. I'm Yashi Malviya. Today I'm here with a very exciting challenge that is created by one of my favorite YouTuber, SJ Loves Jewelry, and one of my fellow YouTuber, Surbhi Chauhan from Beauty Hacks, tagged me to do this video. I'm so glad that she tagged me. I was so excited to plan for this. I don't know how it is going to look afterwards, but right now I am like super excited to kind of give it a try. And also Surbhi Chauhan from Beauty Hacks, she is an excellent YouTuber, and please go and check the link of her channel down below in the description box and go and see her video. She has also executed the challenge of makeup, full face of makeup under rupees, using product under rupees 100, and she did it quite well. So yeah, without any further delay, let's just get started with the video, because I just cannot wait to see how it is going to look afterwards. So at first I'll start with moisturizing my face, and I'm kind of doing it with my Nivea moisturizer that I got in 68 rupees from Big Bazaar. And then tap it on all over my face so that my face is moisturized before putting on makeup, and that really kind of helps me from getting a very dry skin. Because I'll move on to the primer. Since I did not get any primer under rupees 100 or at rupees 100, I decided that I would use glycerine instead of primer, and glycerine is a bit sticky, so I'm taking a little bit of it. I'm just mixing it on my face and priming my face. I would go ahead and apply the foundation, and the foundation is from Blue Heaven. I only got this foundation under rupees 100. I had no options except buying this one. I'm just dabbing it around my around my forehead. I'm going to use this sponge that I got from the sponge came in a set of 4, which cost me rupees 59, and I'm just trying to dab all the foundation in, and it's not helping really very much because it's very hard, and oops, it's not helping at all. It's taking all the foundations on it, and I have to reapply the foundation because my face is looking like anything, like so bad. And here I go again, dabbing the foundation on my face. Totally have no clue what is happening around. I'm just trying to make it right in any way possible. And yeah, this time I'm not going to use any sponge. I'm just going to use my hands to mix the foundation on my face, and I really don't think it's kind of any way matching my skin color, but I have no options at all because the foundation only came in one single shade, and even if it doesn't matches me, I have to do something to make it a little bit good, which I really don't see happening over here. Kind of afraid, lots of thoughts in my mind. I don't just taking a little bit of the powder on my palm, a little bit more, and then I would bake my under eyes, a little bit more. The sponge I got for rupees 10, and I'm just dabbing the extra powder out of my face to make my face a little bit better than before, but I don't think it's helping me anyway. My face is looking too way brighter that I don't want, and totally heaven compact that I got in rupees 60, I guess. I'm not too sure. I'm going to mention the prices in the bottom box, but I'm too sure it was below 100 rupees, and it was just available in one shade. I'm just trying to mix the powder that I use to bake my under eyes. Now I'm going to use the Lakme Kajal, which I got in rupees 60, and I don't have any idea what kind of look am I going to create. I've not at all given it even a single thought. So I'm just trying to make something. I'm going to apply my LA18 liner that I got in rupees 65, I guess. I'm not too sure. I'm going to mention all the prices in the bottom box, but I'm really sure that it was under rupees 100. Going to do my eyebrows, and I'm using Lakme pencil, which I got. I'm not at all I'm not a big fan of this Lakme pencil, but since my budget was so low that I had to buy this one only, and it's black in color. I'm going to use my LA18 lipstick, which I got in rupees 100, and I'm going to use it to give color to my and now I'm applying the lipstick, and it's from Blue Heaven again. It's in shade orange. I don't remember the shade name. I'm going to mention it down below in the bottom box, but I'm too sure that I got it in rupees 100 from